Hello guys, this video I would like to show you in practice how to wire an ESC up to an external flight controller in order to update and change the ESC setting. I need to do this way because I am using the KISS flight controller, KISS V2, and it doesn't have the BLheli pass-through feature, so I need an external flight controller in order to update the ESC. So this is how I wire it up. So basically I need the plus and minus Y of the ESC that should be powered through a battery here, and then the signal Y of the ESC, then it needs to be connected to the flight controller, and it can be either one of the S1 to S4 of this ESC. I will move it closer. So on the flight controller side, I need plus and minus Y in order to power the flight controller up via the battery, and I use the balance block of the battery to power my flight controller up, and the XT60 to power the ESC up. And then I need a signal Y of the ESC, and it should be called S1, S2, S3, S4. Since this flight controller support up to 4 ESCs, I only need one signal Y, so I use one signal Y, either S1, S2, S3 or 4. You only need one, so I connect the signal Y to the individual ESC I need to update, and then it's all good. And then I just connect the flight controller to the computer via the USB port, and that is all how I wire it up in order to change the ESC setting when I am using the flight controller that cannot cannot go to the BLheli suite 32 or BLheli-S in order to change the ESC setting. Thank you and see you next video. Bye bye.